DXL, they're already hitting the stores. Brand new impact. Talking about some more DeWalt hammer drill, and then you do get, does include a tough case. Alright, we got the Black Friday 2024. This is the holiday deals for the DeWalt at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more Black Friday holiday deals. Alright, let's go ahead and start. So to start here, we do have this DeWalt tough system. It's on sale. And this is the 3 box tough system. This is $89.98 for the large mobile toolbox, $59.98 for the medium, and $49.98 for the small. Talking about something new, this is actually newer. This is a smaller toolbox. It's like a half toolbox, and it's longer in depth. It does include an organizer, and it does include some tabs in there, so you guys are able to organize it the way you want to do it. So it does have the same quality as the Tough System 2.0 regular boxes. Alright, some drawers here. This is $99.98 for the true drawer, and again $49.88 for the smaller compact toolbox, and then $119 for the 3-drawer toolbox for the Tough System. So you guys know, pretty nice. It does have some nice rubber weather stripping or gaskets around each drawer, so pretty good. $24.88 for the Tough System 2.0 6 parts organizer. This is like a half organizer. It is but check this out, guys. We got the DXL. Yes, this is the Tough System DXL. They're already hitting the stores. This is right at the front of the store. So on this box specifically, we got the dolly. So this is the 2.0 DXL dolly, $189, and then we got the Tough System DXL worktop for $79. So both of these, you do have to buy everything separately. The drawers are on this side. Those boxes are the drawers. You get the 2-drawer for $329. You got the deep drawer for $299. So just depending on what you need, you're going to configure your build out DXL Tough System. All right, so for the buy one get one free, so we got a whole bunch of deals here for the buy one get one free. Let's go over them. All right, here to the right, we got $199 for the crossline laser level, $299 for the 4-tool combo kit. It does include a reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, impact driver. Looks like, yeah, impact driver, drill driver, and 2 batteries. $499, or actually $299. For the $499, we got the 6-tool combo kit with the Tough System. They are brushless tools, so keep that in mind on that one. That was a really great value. $299 for the Flex Volt Advantage 2-tool combo kit. It does include a big Flex Bolt battery, impact driver, hammer drill, bag, and charger. $299 for the high torque impact wrench. This is a 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. It looks like it does include a big battery as well. So alright, for the buy one get one free, we got the, you buy any of the kits here on the top and get a free tool. $399 will get you a 3-tool combo kit. $299 will get you a 2-tool combo kit. And remember, guys, that is the 850. So that is the most compact that they have. That is a 2 4 amp hour batteries with a $299 starter kit. And then here on the left, we got the $199 starter kit. This is a 6 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery. It does include a charger. This is going to be the cheapest to get a free tool. And if you guys want to hack them, this is the way to go. Alright, the free tools. Let's start here with the left. We got the brushless blower valued at $159. That is the drywall screw gun valued at $179. Yes, guys, that is the new premium impact driver. I believe that it is the 860. Yes, that is the new impact driver valued at $199. Definitely go for that one. You got the 4.5 brushless angle grinder, $199. The atomic SDS hammer rotary. And lastly, you got the drywall cutout tool valued at $179. Alright, next side we do have a 6 amp hour battery. That is a Flex Bolt. That's a really good value on that one if you guys want to get those batteries. A reciprocating saw, a brushless circular saw 6.5, compact router, 3 1/4 planer, and then you got a jigsaw valued at $199. So there are lots of good value on this. Definitely check it out with that new impact driver. Let's look at it right now. So this is the cheapest starter kit. This is the 4 and the 6 at $199. We'll get you that free tool if you buy that. That is the 6 amp hour that's available as a promo, as a free tool. And then you got the more expensive one. This was the $299 impact driver with that 850. Those are XR tools again. And then the $399, it's not there yet, so it hasn't made it yet. So they got this deal for $299. This is the hammer drill. These are the deals you saw on the right. The hammer drill, and then you do get that big flex bolt battery. That is the hammer drill. This is one of the better ones. Impact driver, and then you get that 6 amp hour battery as well. So on this one, you got $299. Will get you four. It's a 4-tool combo kit. You got a one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, impact driver, and drill. You get 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. So that's actually a pretty dang good value on this one. And then for the one on the right, we got the blower valued at $159. And then we got the high torque impact wrench kit that's available for $299. And it does include a 5 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag. $299 regular price, $349, so it's down $50. That's actually pretty good. You got the planer available there as a free tool promo for $219. And then you got the SDS 5/8 rotary hammer. The jigsaw valued at $199. Circular saw on the left, valued at $149 as well for that one. And then on the top, you got the angle grinder. And guess what, guys? That is the brand new impact driver. Yes, that is the 850 3-speed impact driver. It says right there DCF 860 impact driver. So that is the brand new one. All right, you got the screw gun, and then you got the drywall cutout tool, and then you got the laser level there on the right for $199. Those are actually pretty good value on those. But talking about value, you get some nice nailers here. Well, $299 will get you a 16 gauge straight finish nailer. And then you got a framing nailer there. So you got either your choice on these. Pretty good value on these. I think a 16 gauge. Alright, so $169 will get you the atomic impact wrench. I do have that impact wrench. That thing's a beast. It does have a 5 charger in the case. And then you do have a ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet, and then you got a 4 amp hour battery valued at $59. That is the impact wrench. It does come with the 5 amp hour battery, charger in a case. That thing's a beast. Like I said before, they got the 2-pack of 5 amp hour battery for $149. Cutout tool for $129. The circular saw, 4.5 circular saw $129. 100 reciprocating saw at $129. So there's a whole bunch of deals here. You guys could get 5 amp hour battery 2-pack there. You got the cutout tool, or the cutoff saw. And then you got the circular saw there. That's the 4.5 circular saw there at the bottom. It is 20 volts. And then you got the 100 reciprocating saw from the Atomic here. Alright, they got this really nice kit, 120 piece drill and drive set for $29.88. Does include a tough case. You got some extension bits, a bit holder there as well. And then you got some 2-inch bits, more 2-inch bits. Lots of great bits, deals on those. You got $19.88 for the 2-pack of tape measures. These are 13 feet range, or stand output that they call it. Alright, $12.97 for the 10-piece telescopic multi-bit screwdriver, and $16.88 for the 2 piece of utility knives. That screwdriver is really nice. It's right here. You are able to fit some of those inside, but the one thing I don't like about this one is that the plastic piece is there. You cannot fit that inside, so I don't know how you're going to do that. Alright, so you got this one. This was the 2-pack of utility knife. It is like the fastback style. It's push and flip, and you have some blade storage in there as well. So alright, talking about some more DeWalt deals. $149 for the impact driver and drill driver. This is an excellent deal. Excellent gift for the holidays, even for dad, for mom, whoever, for son. And same thing with this. This is a 30-piece, very inexpensive, just under what? Yeah, $9.97. You got a bit holder there, some nut drivers, some 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits, $99 for the impact driver kit. Does include a battery, charger, and a case. That's it right there. Pretty basic, but that's all you need, and a good brand as well. So, all right. So this is the 6-piece socket bit set for $9.97. It's actually an excellent Excellent deal on this one. Very inexpensive and great impact duty sockets. You got a drill driver kit. This does include a battery charger and a case for $99. That's an excellent deal as well. All right, a vacuum. This is a stick vacuum for $99. You got a 2-pack of 3 ampere batteries for $99. You got the heat gun for $99. You got the test light. This is $79, and then you got the radio for $79. Job site radio for $79, and random orbit sander for $79. So you got the 2-pack of 3 ampere batteries as well. It does have a battery gauge, as it says right there on the box. You got the 12 volt or 20 volt. Yes, that's right. That's a multi-volt light. And then you do have that vacuum there at the bottom. You do have the radio, job site Bluetooth radio. And then you got the random orbit sander. All right, so you got the oscillator multi-tool kit for $99. Does include some blades, a battery charger, and then $5.97 for the black and gold 10-piece twist bit set. This is the black and gold. So very inexpensive for a smaller project. Great for a gift. And then $99 for a 55-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level. This is the green. Does have a really nice case as well. So definitely check it out. Carrying handle, everything on that. So keep that in one piece. So pretty good deal on that one as well. $249 for the nailers. You got the 23 gauge pin nailer, 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, and 18 gauge brad nailer on this one as well. So any of these are your choice. So you got the 18 gauge brad nailer there. You got the pin nailer kit, 23 gauge, and then the 18 gauge narrow crown stapler. Those are all kits. All right, so $399 will get you this 15-amp 12-inch double bevel miter saw. You guys know the DeWalt's pretty much a standard on the miter saws. $89 for the 33-inch express workbench here. Folding workbench. It's actually a pretty nice workbench there. You got $19.97 for the right angle attachment. This is a 2-in-1. $9.97 for those 14-piece blades. Got the max fit on that one. Got different sorts of attachments. You guys could use this at right angle on a tighter space. You got the black and gold 14-piece. Very, very inexpensive. And then you got the clamps, the DeWalt clamps. These are 6 in total. So you got 4 bigger ones and 2 smaller ones. $34.97 for the 6-pack. All right, $119 for the 1600 amp jump starter with digital compressor. So this is a big combo here. It's pretty much an all-inclusive box here. If you want to put it that way, you got a jump starter, digital inflator, starter, however you want to call it. So all you need in that. And then if you want just a digital inflator, deflator, $119. This will inflate and deflate the bigger inflatables, you know, the pool toys and the mattresses and all that, as well as the tires. And that is 12 volt or 120 volts. $99.98 for the jump starter. This is a power pack, 1600 peak amps. $19.88 for the 81-piece drill and drive set tough system case. This is a really nice case. It's actually bigger. It does include those longer extensions there on the left. I really love that. Some 1-inch bits, some Robertson, some Stars, Phillips. Pretty nice. Some more, and then you got a socket adapter there, 2 socket adapters, and a bit holder. Guys, that's it for today for this Black Friday deal for the DeWalt's. Stay tuned. I will be putting out Ryobi, Makita, and Ridget. So, and also the gift center. I still have to do the gift center for you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit the like, hit the bell. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so you guys will miss any of the Black Friday deals coming up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.